My experience was really good. It was amazing with the team of YuviPep. When I have learned many things which I was not knowing before.
My experience was really good because all the mentors were really polite, friendly, and they were clearing the doubts then and there.
It feels very wonderful for me because at starting I did not know many devices. Now I am getting to know about many unknown devices and I am exploring it more.
It has helped me to gain problem solving and critical thinking skills.
In this academic year, I have learned many things based on prototype, or I have learned even coding of Arduino, how to construct a prototype. That's it.
I feel that every student must utilize this platform for their future development.
YuviPep is a great way for students to understand concepts in physics and computer science. It has helped me and my classmates understand these concepts and build new prototypes. There is even a reading corner where we can find some newspapers related to YuviPep IBC courses. We can read those newspapers and we can learn and tells us what is happening around the world.
It's not just about doing something, coming in, just completing your work and going. There's an additional compassion. There's an approach of compassion, when new people come in, and that's very beautiful.